I asked an AI to make me an AI agent for day trading and the results completely blew my mind. Today I'm giving you the exact breakdown of what it generated. I'm going to show you step by step how to launch the AI trading bot yourself without needing any developer experience, and then we're going to let it run for 24 hours to see exactly how much it brings in. The absolute best part? You do not need to know how to code. AI did all the heavy lifting. You don't have to waste your day staring at stressful trading charts to make this work. All the complex, headache-inducing technical aspects have already been solved for you. So how does it actually work? This smart contract monitors multiple decentralized exchanges simultaneously. It constantly scans massive liquidity pairs, and the microsecond it spots a price difference, a profitable arbitrage opportunity, it executes a lightning-fast trade to lock in the profit. Here is exactly how to set yours up. First things first, you need a Web3 wallet installed as a browser extension. Almost any wallet supporting the Ethereum network works perfectly. If you're watching this on a mobile device, no problem at all. You can complete these exact same steps using the built-in DApp browser inside most crypto wallet apps. Next, let's head over to the online development platform where we are going to compile and launch the bot. I've dropped all the safe, official links in the description below so you don't have to search for them. Once the environment fully loads up, open a new network file. Name it something simple and one word. I've also included a link in the description to the complete open source code we need for this project. Simply copy the entire block of text and paste it directly into your blank document. Now click over to the compiler tab on the sidebar. Look at the very first line of your pasted code. That dictates the required solidity version. Ensure that the compiler version selected on the left perfectly aligns with that number. If it doesn't match, simply select the correct numbering from the drop-down menu. Once verified, smash that compile button. At this point, we are officially ready to deploy your bot onto the blockchain using your own wallet. Switch over to the Deploy tab. Select the Provider option from the environment list, pick this option, choose your Web3 wallet, connect it, and authorize the link. Your actual wallet address and your current ETH balance should instantly appear on the screen, verifying a successful connection. Hit the Deploy button to proceed. A window will pop up asking you to approve a tiny gas fee, usually just a few cents. Confirm it, wait a few seconds, and look for a bright green success notification in the bottom console. Excellent! Because your smart contract is now live on the network, its user interface will appear just below. The layout is extremely clean and user-friendly. Before funding it, let's do a quick security check. Click here. Verify that the listed creator address perfectly matches your personal wallet address. They need to be identical. This proves you have 100% control over the contract. Now we need to give the bot its working capital so it can actually execute those trades. I generally recommend starting from anywhere with 2 to 5 ETH to catch the best volume. For the sake of this live tutorial, I'm loading it up with exactly 2 ETH. To transfer your initial funds, copy the dedicated address of your smart contract you literally just launched. Open your wallet, hit send, select ETH, paste the contract address into the destination field, enter your ETH amount, continue, and click confirm. Once the network confirms the block, click this button on the interface to verify the funds arrived safely. Looking flawless. Now, click Start. Approve the final quick transaction in your wallet and wait a few seconds for it to register on-chain. Boom! The setup process is totally complete. The bot is now officially online and hunting for profit. You can literally watch it identify and complete trades directly in the console. I'm going to step away, let it run, and we will circle back in a few hours to see the performance. Okay, a few hours have passed. Let's check on our progress by hitting this button. The initial profits are looking highly promising. However, overall market volume is a bit low right now. Because a specific bot thrives on network volatility, I want to give you guys the best possible data. I'm going to leave this entirely active for a full 24 hours. I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome back, everyone. Exactly 24 hours have passed since we hit start, so let's do the final reveal. I'm going to click this button one last time. Wow, just look at that. As you can tell, the entire process operated absolutely flawlessly while I was asleep. You can scroll straight through the console right here to review the trade log. You are seeing every single profitable micro trade it found and finalized. You are ready to halt the bot and put out your starting capital along with all your profits. It is incredibly simple. Just hit the withdrawal button, approve the signature in your wallet, and wait for the blockchain confirmation. Instantly, the total balance has been safely, securely deposited back into my main wallet. The profits accumulated over these 24 hours were absolutely staggering. A brief disclaimer before I sign off. The content in today's video is intended strictly for educational purposes. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and none of this constitutes financial, legal, or investment advice. I am purely a tech enthusiast, documenting my own experiences and the Web3 software I experimented with. If you run into any issues at all or have questions about getting the system running, you'll find my direct contact information down in the description, sitting right alongside all the necessary project links. If this tutorial blew your mind and helped you out, please drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more cutting-edge content on AI and automation, and I will catch you in the next video.